Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with both safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2018 Hyundai Elantra SEL in quartz white. With HID headlamps, 16-inch aluminum wheels, brake assist, power heated mirrors, electronic stability control, front bucket seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 30,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, SIRIUSXM satellite radio, split folding rear seats, 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5650A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.